In this video, I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Code, the code editor we will use throughout this tutorial series. VS Code is free, powerful, and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Let's get started. First, open your browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser will work. In the address bar, type code.visualstudio.com and press enter. Code.visualstudio.com and press enter. You will see this big blue button that says download for Windows. It automatically detects your operating system. Click on it to start the download. And you can see here the download got started. The download has started. It's about 90 megabytes, so it should only take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, click on the installer file to run it. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, click yes. See, our download has been finished. Let's double click on it, and then you would see this dialog box. Click on I accept the agreement, next, and you will see various options. The installer opens with the license agreement. Select I accept the agreement and click next, which we have already done. Keep the default install location. It's fine for most users. Click next. Keep the default start menu folder and click next. The screen is important. I recommend checking all these boxes. Add open with code to file context menu. Add open with code to directory context menu. Register code as an editor. And most importantly, add to path. This lets you open VS Code from the command line or terminal or command prompt, and then click next. Review your selections and click install. This will take just a moment. The installation is in progress. This actually takes less than a minute. We are waiting for the installation to complete. So installation complete. Keep launch Visual Studio Code checkbox checked and click finish. And Visual Studio Code will launch. It may take some time depending on your computer speed, and if it does not launch, it might have created a icon like this on your desktop. So double click on it, and here is Visual Studio Code. This is your new code editor. On the left you have the sidebar with Explorer. Like this one. On the left you have sidebar with Explorer. for files to search. Like this is the sidebar with various options, like an option to search files, source control for Git, and extensions which we will use in the next videos. The main area, this is the main area. I'll close this welcome window, and this is the main area, and this is the area where you will write code, and at the bottom is the status bar. Just like Windows will have a status bar at the bottom here. This is status bar with useful information. We'll see it later. VS Code is now installed and ready to use. On the right you see one chart window already opened. I'll talk about this later. So as of now you might not, if chart is not installed and enabled on your computer, you may not see it, so you may look like this your window. But if this is the kind of window you see, don't worry, it is normal. You may not see the chart, this window. So if you want to see it, you can click on here at the top chart icon, and then you just click on the drop down arrow, and once you click on the drop down arrow you'll see various options. From that, select open chart option. This is it for VS Code installation. So we'll move on to the next step.